trip has officially started. Nicole is here. Yesterday she was in Germany, now she is here in India. And now we are going to Pebbles. I have received my Christmas gifts in advance. Have packed our bags again. कुछ अजीब ही हो गया सुबह सुबह. I don't know. हमें मैसेज आया है इंडिगो से that our flight is cancelled. मतलब ये तो मेरे साथ तो पहली बार ही हुआ है. I don't know, नज़र लग गई क्या मेरे प्लान को. बट ठीक है, अभी निकल गई है बिकॉज यहाँ पे थोड़ा नेट ठीक नहीं चल रहा है. टू चेक क्या करना है. वी कैन या हैव अनदर फ्लाइट. वी कैन कैंसल. नो. सो लेट्स सी क्या होता है. Say something.
No.
No?
Not now.
Not now. मतलब it's gonna be a remarkable and memorable trip we had. I don't know what we are doing, but somehow we have managed to go to Kolkata. I don't know. So let's see what we are gonna do.
Tell me how to get.
Why it is raining like this?
I'm very tired.
Yeah. I was so stressed that I was not even vlogging the whole time because we want to sort it out. Flights got cancelled. Not ours. There were so many people there who were going to Leh only, and yeah, it's like I guess it's flood going on there in Leh right now. And I got so many warnings that don't go, but I didn't.
Told you to check
The flights, and from last 2 days the flights are being cancelled, and then yeah, now we have two choices, either to stay in Delhi or maybe to go somewhere. Then we choose a place, Kolkata, and it last time it got cancelled when we came back from Rajasthan. We had our plan in Kolkata as well, but it got cancelled because she has to go back. So now Leh got cancelled and now we are going to Kolkata, and I'm getting the Kolkata vibes in Delhi only because it's raining. And it's gonna rain in Kolkata as well, and we need to sort out the clothes. Even I have options, but I don't think so you have options. Yeah, we'll do shopping there. So yeah, let's see how Kolkata is.
We don't do jackets.
Yeah. And we have only warm jackets. I have 3 in my bag. So let's see. I think I know you. I have seen you somewhere.
What? What are you doing?
I know you. You're Nicole. Come on, let's go. Finally, we are going somewhere. So it's Hindi. You should learn Hindi.
Yes.
Yeah, Nicole! I would like to play. Tim Hortons.
So what are you having?
Pizza. And garlic bread. And Pepsi.
You're talking about.
I was not able to finish it, so I'm carrying it with me. Can you imagine we are having winter clothes and now we need summer clothes?
We need clothes, hiking boots.
Hiking boots, jackets, caps and all. Like we
I
have.
was told it's the best season to go to Ladakh.
Yes.
There is no monsoon.
It's not the best season, it's the worst. And I'm thinking if we have been there, we might got stuck there, and then what?
Right?
What?
License
Yeah.
1460.
Following the tracks, but there is no tram here. But yeah, this rickshaw. This is the State Bank. There is she. And can you imagine? Our hotel is there and we have a railway crossing in between. I mean, what? Okay, and train is coming. Local train. Oh! It's crazy. Oh, please. Can you imagine? go to the hotel. Seriously. Okay, wait. Seriously. What is this? Boathouse Bistro Bar. Hotel is on another vibe. Huh? Look at this. Oh. सामने railway line है. And then pictures and pictures. Oh, look at the. Yes, it is. Oh my god. Thank you for taking the decision of coming to Kolkata. I mean, what a view. We are going on a boat ride as well, right? Yes. Guys, it's crazy here. I mean, you should come here once, yeah. I'm liking the vibe of the hotel as well. And see, there are life jackets, so there is a possibility. Yes, and I don't know how to swim. I'll die. I'll die in a hotel. Oh. The view. Oh my god. And we can have the sunset from here.
Yes, we can.
Oh, how's the hotel?
Yeah, it looks good.
I mean, it's good. I'll not say wow, but it's good. It's what we can say. It's good. The view is good. Rest I don't know anything. But I'm happy you selected Kolkata. Yeah, every detail in the hotel is. Yeah, it's a ship. It's a ship. We are in a ship. Oh. Okay. Okay. I mean, yaar. Matlab, look at the bank. It's so beautiful. It's amazing. It's amazing. Wow, the view. It's interesting. All these celebrities have been here. Yeah. Nice. Ooh. So, like, this is a connecting bridge to the boat, you can say, or the hotel, yeah. And this is the reception area. We have came to the Sarojini of Kolkata. Okay. Okay. They have everything. Slow taxi. It's very sexy. This shop is crazy, bhai. They have purse for sunglasses, then this wallet, then this for coins, and then this one is to keep your lipstick. किसी को चाहिए भाई? देखो बोल दो मैं ले आऊंगी लिपस्टिक रखने के लिए ये. For the girls.
Something is biting me all the time.
Oh. Already shopping has been started. And this market is good and it's very big, yeah. I am also becoming a tourist now. See the balconies. बड़ी चमक धमक है भाई हर जगह और सेल ही सेल है because of festivals. No parking in front of the gate, and now look at this. So we did some shopping. Now we are walking. It's a rhyme. And I guess there are no trams now in Kolkata. You can see the lanes were there. I haven't seen any रैंप सुनसान है भाई, मेरे को डर लग रहा है रे. It's a bit scary.
What is scary?
You. I don't know. Annabelle, remember? Because you have a no, because you have a cap with A, which means Annabelle.
And you are Mickey Mouse.
Yes, I'm a Mickey Mouse. It looks. I'm sweating, and you as well. We'll not walk now. And yes. And सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि मैं सही सलामत ले आई गूगल मैप्स के थ्रू इसको यहाँ पे.
Do you have any idea how long the restaurant is open?
11. I asked now. It's until 11. I guess the bar. We are back in the hotel. कुछ खा लेते हैं भाई, भूख लगी है. And again from here there is a view. I don't know. Yeah. All is done with the food, with the French fries. Actually, she had French fries, and मैंने सोचा this is fish, but no, it's eggplant. बैंगन 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 ने पागल बना दिया. ये देखो मुझे क्या दिखा. So they are decorating it for a private romantic dinner. Is he proposing?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh no, there are names Aman and Sonika. Oh my god. Oh, they are. Yeah. Wow.
But the vest is ruining everything.
Yes.
Oh, they are done.
Yeah, they are done. EXO. Okay, they have packed everything. Oh, nice.
So you can come back.
Huh?
You can come back.
To experience this? Oh, maybe.